out, every second counts. But right now, paramedics can't give blood in the field. In tonight's Health Watch report, a Maryland scientist is working on a groundbreaking solution, a shelf-stable powder that turns into blood when you add water, and it could be the difference between life and death. Inside this lab at the University of Maryland School of Medicine, you'll find scientists creating something that could change emergency medicine forever: synthetic blood.
30,000 people every year in the U.S. bleed to death before they can get to a hospital. We can't give transfusions in the field right now. Imagine if we couldn't give oxygen at the field.
Dr. Alan Doctor is working to change that, finding a way to deliver blood-like treatment anywhere, even without a donor or refrigerator.
So to do that, you have to take it outside of the living cell. So the hemoglobin, which is the protein that carries oxygen in blood, has to be removed from a living cell, the red blood cells, and then rendered safe and effective and shelf-stable.
The team created this shelf-stable freeze-dried powder called erythromer. When mixed with water, it becomes a liquid that can deliver oxygen in an emergency, no matter the setting. He says the team has already proven it works in animals like mice and rabbits.
We've replaced up to 90% of the blood volume of some of these animals with synthetic blood. And then we watch them for up to 3 days to 5 days to see how they're doing.
Every year, thousands of people die before they ever make it to a hospital by bleeding out. But this is a game changer designed to buy time in trauma situations.
So that's the gap that we're trying to correct. And people have been working on this for over 80 years.
Developed through a startup he's named Calycyte. Doctor says the technology has the potential of saving thousands of lives.
Primarily, transfusions occur in hospitals or in complicated healthcare settings. On the other hand, people get into accidents, they get shot. The people in New York were all shot outside a hospital.
What does this mean when it comes to blood donation? Does it solve that problem?
No, unfortunately, it won't solve that problem. So what this is designed to do is it's a bridging therapy. So it will get someone from the scene of an accident to a hospital. Once you're in the hospital, people will still get natural blood.
In other words, this is a bridge, not a replacement.
It's really designed for resuscitation only. It's not going to be used for chronic transfusion therapy.
But what it can do is save lives in places where blood can't go, and it's case by case.
It is not at all like natural blood. In fact, it does some things better than blood. For example, it's universal donor. So this can be given to any blood group. In fact, it can be given to any species. So the same exact material can be given to a person or their pet.
This synthetic blood may one day be the thing that buys you enough time to stay alive. Doctor says this technology will be useful to paramedics, the military, and even space missions. However, this still requires approval from the Food and Drug Administration. Pretty fascinating.